Stirling Tenants Assembly began in 2003 and has been involved with Stirling Council to ensure delivery of the best housing service that can be achieved.
Hi, my name is William Derrick and I have been involved with the Stirling Tenants Assembly for about 3 years now. I have been a Stirling Council tenant for approximately 20 years and I have just been taken over as the chairperson. I wanted to find out more how I could get involved in participating on tenants' local issues and have a greater say on important housing issues that affect our local communities.
Hello everyone. Tenant participation is very important to Stirling Council and I would encourage you to come forward and have your voice heard. Well, why is tenant participation important? It's important to us because you can come forward and you can tell us how you feel about our services and how we might improve them. This means that you can influence how we make our services and how we can improve our services in future. This gives the Council an opportunity to listen to tenants and to work together with you to change things in the future. Tenant participation is the key to making things better for tenants and for the Council. So if you're a tenant, please come forward and have your say. Stirling Tenants Assembly will welcome you. Thank you.
The reason why I got involved with housing issues was that when I was doing the application process, I actually found it quite difficult. I found it quite lengthy. So I spoke with the housing officer and they suggested I actually had quite good views of how to make changes and whatnot. So when speaking with them, that was what sort of made me get involved. They actually advised me to go into the one-stop shop in Stirling. So a few days ago I actually went into the one-stop shop and spoke with a woman called Marjorie. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was just wondering if there's any way I can get more involved in being able to participate more in the council decisions that are affecting myself.
Right. Are you a new tenant?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Oh well. We have a leaflet from the Stirling Tenants Assembly that just gives you some information about what the Tenants Assembly actually is. Have you heard about it?
No.
No. It's a group of individual council tenants that from all over the Stirling area that have become involved with housing issues. Okay? A tenant's participation advisor who works within the council, and there's a contact number here where you can call him and ask for any more information and just how to become involved in the Tenants Assembly.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
In the discussion with Marjorie, she says that I didn't actually have to attend meetings to actually be involved in the tenant programme. I actually could express my views and opinions through social media, through telephone calls, through email, or even by old-fashioned letter. So I found that really helpful, that I didn't actually have to go to meetings to be involved and have my views and opinions expressed. My advice would be get involved. The fact is that if you have something to say and you don't say it, then really your views and opinions won't actually matter. So getting involved and expressing your views and opinions then makes change.